Hi everyone, my name is Janice Horapa. I'm 37 years old from the Philippines. I am married and I have two children, 18 years old girl and 7 years old boy. I am high school graduate here in the Philippines. I work here in our country for 5 years from 2019 to 2025. I was only one employer. I take care of a newborn baby, kids at the age of 3 years old to 5 years old. I can do house chores and cooking, a basic household of course. I will do my best, and you can trust me, and that's all. I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much. Hope to have it to be it together with you. Thank you.